Hello, I am Professor Sachin Sambhaji Patil. I welcome all of you for this session. So today we are going to see 7-segment display interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Once again, I welcome all of you for this session. So what is the 7-segment display? So 7-segment display having the total segments are 7. Okay, so what is A, B, C, T, E, F, G? So we can see how many segments are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 segment and 1 decimal point. So 7-segment display is having total 7 segments and 1 decimal point. Okay, that is 7-segment display. So if you purchase the 7-segment display from market, okay, so which is having the total 10 pins, and out of the 10 pins, so you have to hold the 7-segment display like this. The decimal point should be at bottom side, and what are the different segments are available. So pin number 1 starting from here. So when you purchase the 7-segment display, you hold this like this. Decimal point should be bottom side. The pin number 1 2 5 will be this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and pin number 6 7 8 9 10, these are the pins of 7-segment display. So what are the different segments? Because what is happening when we are studying and when we are connecting to the 8051 microcontroller, actually on during project on hardware, so at that time we should know what are the different pins of 7-segment display and which pin having the which segment. Means, for example, pin number 7 is having segment A, that you should know that. Pin number 6 is having segment B. So how to remember this? This is very simple. That is you have to hold this like this 7-segment display. The pin number of A, we can say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, D, P, and pin number 3. Those are pins are middle pins. Okay, pin number 3 and pin number 8. These are the middle pins. So this will be common. We have to make it to the, we have to connect this to the ground, or this pin will be, in case of common cathode 7-segment display, this pin need to connect to the ground, pin number 3 and 8. In case of common anode 7-segment display, pin number 3 and pin number 8 need to connect to the plus VCC. Okay, so in case of common cathode display, we need to send logic 1 to enable or to on the segment, and in case of common anode, we need to send logic 0 to enable or to on this segment. Okay, so we can see here there are two kind of 7-segment display: common anode 7-segment display, and second is common cathode 7-segment display. So we can see here in this figure, this is the common anode 7-segment display, this is the plus VCC, and this is shown here, this is the plus VCC, which is need to connect to the plus 5 volt, and these are the different segments are here, that is segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and DP decimal point. Okay, so these are the in case of common anode display, pin number 3 and pin number 8 will be VCC here. Okay, and remaining segment, okay, which is happening here, this is this segment A. So when this is VCC, when this segment or when this diode will be turned on, when this is anode is positive, then cathode should be negative. When cathode will be negative or anode is more positive than cathode, then that segment diode will be on. Okay, so if we are sending logic 0 to this segment, here is, or when are connecting to the ground, at that time the anode is more positive than cathode. Okay, and current will be flow from anode to cathode. In that case, the segment will be turned on. Anode is more positive than cathode, then this segment will be on, or this diode will be conduct. Okay, so this condition should be true. So at that time, to on the segment, we are sending logic 0 here, and first we are finding the bit pattern, and that we are sending to the port of microcontroller, to which port we are going to connect the 7-segment display. So we can see this is a common cathode 7-segment display. This is common cathode, means which is connected to the This is the segment to need to connect to the ground, and to on the segment A, we can see here these are the 7 segments, and which is shown here the diode. When this diode will be turned on, the segment A, all the segments cathodes are combined together and connected to the ground. When this segment A will be turned on or when this diode will be turned on, when anode is more positive than cathode, in that case diode the diode or the segment A will be turned on. So when we are sending logic 1 to the segment A will be turned on. Segment A will be glow, it will be on. Okay, so just remember, in case of common cathode, to make segment on, we are sending logic 1, and in case of common anode, to turn segment on, we are sending logic 0. Then the segment will be on. So that with respect to that, here is one table. We can see when we want to display logic 0, because this is 7 segment display which can display only numerical character, numerical only. Okay, there is alphanumerical and numerical, two kind of characters are there. So numerical means logic 0, that is 0 to 9 numbers. Okay, maybe single digit or 2 digit also. And alphanumerical means that is alphabets, that is A, B, C, D up to Z. It may be capital or it may be small. So that is also possible to, but actually this is the 7 segment is for only to display numbers. I think you have to see this 7 segment at the petrol pump also, that they are using the 7 segment. Okay, and maybe it is a 4 digit. Okay, like this. So what is the logic 0? When we want to display logic 0 on 7 segment, so these are the different segment which are shown here: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and this is the DP, that is a decimal point. So when we want to display logic 0, so to the common cathode 7 segment display. So see here, common cathode 7 segment display. To display logic 0, this is connected to the ground. So we need to send logic 1 to on the segment. Means suppose segment A should be glow, B, C, D, E, F should be glow, and G and decimal point should be off. Remaining segment should be on. So when it is possible, when you are sending 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, then that segment will be, then we will display logic 0. We can see here, as per that, A 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. And that same it is shown here. We can see common cathode 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times 1, and 1, 1, 0, 0. G and decimal point should be 0. That is shown here. G and decimal point should be 0. Then we can display logic 0. So this is about 7 segment, that is common cathode. And similar way, this is applicable to all numbers. When 1 will be displayed, when we are sending, that is the segment, which segment should be on and which segment should be off. We can see here, in case of common cathode, B and C segment should be glow, or B and C segment should be on, and remaining segment should be off. So what is the bit pattern we are getting? 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so what is the value we need to send? That is where 0, C. This is value we need to send to the port, at which port we are connecting 7 segment display. This is applicable to all. Okay, and in case of common anode, exactly complement of this. Here is suppose these are 2 0, make it 1, and these are the 0 0. We are getting C0. Okay, and this is the common anode 7 segment display. We are connecting to VCC, and remaining segment should be connected to ground. So what is the here? 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1, and that is shown here. These are 1 1. In case of 1, we need to display 1 anode. So this segment should be VCC is given, and when this segment will be glow, when we are connecting to this segment to the ground. So that is a 0. So 1. Okay, this is the common anode. So we need to connect to the 0. So 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1. So that is we are getting this value F9 H. Okay, so in this way this is applicable to all. So I am very thankful to all of you for watching this video. Keep watching, and okay, please like my video and subscribe my channel. So this is the interfacing. So interfacing which is connected to this port 2. We can see here this is the 7 segment, and this is the VCC is given here. This is in case of this is common anode interfacing. Common anode CA, common anode 7 segment display interfacing with 805 microcontroller connected to port 2. Okay. So I am very thankful to all of you for watching this video. Keep watching. Please like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.